Are you making the biggest mistakes when it comes to child development? Most of us parents miss out the key milestones when it comes to shaping the child's future. So today we are going to go through all the list of milestones for social milestones, for communication milestones and self-help milestones for our child's development. But before that, I would like to thank all of you, each one of you, for viewing our channel and making us so thankful to you. Today we have reached more than 8,500 viewers and 241 plus subscribers within a span of 2 months, nearly 2 months. Thank you so much. Please continue supporting us like this by sharing our channels to most of your friends so that they know understand what is the milestone required for every child's development. And thank you so much once again. Please like our channel, like the video and share, subscribe with your friends. Hi, I'm Poonam. Welcome to Modern Parenting. Today we are going to uncover the most common parenting mistakes and how we can avoid it. So let's dive into the most essential social, communication and self-help milestone which every parent should know for shaping the child into a better, confident adult for future. And please support us like this for future also. Thank you so much. So let's begin. Stay tuned till the end for many practical solutions, tips for your child development. Social development is all about how your child builds relationships and understands social cues. Here's what you can expect at different ages. The child will smile at familiar faces by the age of 2 to 3 months. Responds to peekaboo by 6 months. Prefers certain kind of people, certain people. Child is made own comfort zone by the age of 9 to 12 months. By the age of 1 to 3 years, plays alongside other kids also. Parallel play, they love to play with other kids by the age of 2 years. Shows empathy by comforting others at the age of 3. By age of 3 to 5 years, engages in cooperative play, sharing and taking toys, taking turns. You take first, I'll take later. Okay, they understand too little of negotiation. Forms friendships and follows social rules. Few tips for parents to develop social milestones. Encourage play dates to teach sharing and cooperation. Model positive social behavior at home. Communication milestones help children to express their emotions and thoughts effectively. Here's what we can expect as they grow. Milestones by age. By birth to 1 year, baby of 4 months, we can expect a baby to do coo or babbles the sound. Say simple words like mama, dada by 9 to 12 months. From the age of 1 to 3, we can expect the child can combine 2 to 3 words to make simple sentences like water, water, bottle, water, bottle. Okay, and follows like simple instructions like get the ball. By the age of 3 to 5 years, the child can speak full sentences and hold short conversation. Maybe by their pronunciation is not proper. Like, ma, I saw doggy. Doggy was bow. Doggy bow. So the child is not able to speak the whole context according to the conversation what we expect from an adult. So the child is able to speak ma, uncle, Chucky. So the child is telling that uncle gave chocolate. Uncle also the child cannot pronounce properly. Sometimes suddenly they will speak of uncle. but it will not be proper. So these are the milestones what we can expect with the child. When the child is growing up, the communication is going according to the milestone graph decided by the Pediatrician Association. Right? At the age of 3 to 5 years, the child can speak full short conversation, and the child can say like how, what happened, and I went to shopkeeper with that uncle gave these chocolates. But the child will ask questions. Why? How? By the age of 3 to 5, we can expect these developments. Tips to develop, improve, grow child's communication skills or communication milestone. We can read to the child a simple illustrations book, as I mentioned in my earlier videos also. Simple books which has got many pictures, and read with the child. Read for the child. You have to read a short story. Like this is the book. In this book, see, tiger is there. In this book, there's a lion is there. Lion is roaring. Tiger is running. Tiger eats meat. Lion eats meat. But the rabbit eats grass or carrot. So express that way. The child will pick up many more words. Vocabulary will improve. The language skills will improve. These are the communication skills. The communication milestones will grow at par or above the milestone development bar. Now let's discuss about self-help milestones. The self-help skills are essential to make the child independent and confident. He is doing his work on his own. He is putting the lace on his own. He is buttoning his shirt on his own. He is opening the zip, closing the zip, opening the bag, closing the bag, and give them the task. So these are the milestones according to the age. By 1 year, we can expect these milestones. First, by the age of 6 to 7 months, the child can hold a bottle. By 9 to 10 months, the child can do finger feeding on his or her own by self. By 1 to 3 years, we can expect these developmental milestones. Drinks from a cup on own without any help by the age of 2. Helps tidy up shoes or toys or own place. They know which is their belongings, so they can clean up their own belongings. By 3 to 5 years, we can expect these milestone developments for self-help. They know to brush their teeth without support to an extent. They can't clean on their own properly, but still they know how to hold a brush, put it in the mouth, and how to use it. They know how to dress up, little of buttoning. By the age of learn to tie shoes. Lace is little more far complex for this age of child, but still the child will try because the child is into curious mode. The child wants to learn all this. How, why, so why, how my parent can do, why I can't. So all this we can expect from a child. So the child will try to do it by the age of 3 to 5. So these are self-help parents. Allow your child to practice daily routines like pack their bag, take out the tiffin box from the box, ask the questions like did you eat your food, what was nice, what was not nice, did you use the fork, did you like the food, ask them a few questions. So like this they will understand to self-interrogate themselves that what mama is asking, what dada is asking, did I like it or no, so I need to answer. So again here we have the communication milestone developmental or developments also, plus we have here the self-help also. The child is showing the tiffin box, see mama, I finished. So these are all self-help milestones, plus packing the bag and buttoning the shirt, closing the shoes, lace or lycra, whichever it is, but the child is trying to do all these tasks. This is called daily routine. So the child is doing it, and please allow and encourage more of such activities. This will in a way help a child to become more confident and independent adult in future, less dependent on parents. Please understand every child develops at his or her own pace. So don't compare, every child is unique as I say in all my videos. So please make sure you don't compare your child with your neighbor's child or your family friend's child or your cousin sister's child or someone. So do not compare your child. Your child is different, unique from others. Okay. And coming to the red flags, so we need to understand for every milestone we have different red flags. For like social milestones, we have avoids eye contact and doesn't respond to their name by the age of 12 months also. For communication milestones, these are the red flags. Not saying a simple word by 18 months, not even making baba sound, papa sound, that's a red flag for parents. Please be aware of this. And for self-help milestone, make sure you watch out all these milestones, red flags. The child is not able to feed himself or herself by the age of 3 also, and not able to get ready also. The child is totally dependent on you to make sure the pant the child is not able to wear after he goes for susu or potty. After cleaning up everything, the child is not able to wear it by himself or herself. The child is not able to do simple tasks like washing the hand. So these are all self-help. So if the child is not able to do by the age of 3, it's a warning. I mean, it's a red flag for a parent. Few tips for parents. Create a nurturing and exploration filled of environment and give them chance to explore within the house, within the premises where you are, under your supervision. But give them little space, little chance to explore. Parents, when you see the red flag, I request you to kindly consult your pediatrician for further guidance on that. Because the red flags what I have mentioned are a basic red flag. There might be more than that or less than that. As a parent, you need to gauge on that. And you can't gauge on by comparing your child with other child. So you need to compare your child with the milestones. The child is supposed to do this, but the child is not doing. Simple tasks like baba, mama by the age of 1 year, take it as 1 year. By the age of 6 months or 7, 9 months, the child is supposed to do. If the child is not doing till 1 year, that's a warning sign for a parent. The child has to go to pediatrician. The second one, as I said, the other red flags, kindly speak to your pediatrician, work on those and work on those solutions and let me know in the comment section. If I am helping you in any ways, if my video was helpful for you, I'll be really thankful to you if you come back and let me know and give me more suggestions on the videos or subjects which I need to cover. And thank you for your support till now. You are watching my video station. Thank you so much. And keep supporting like this. And subscribe my channel in case you have not. I know I have got 8,500 viewers, but the subscribers are only 200 plus, so the viewers are not liking my channel. So this is a little disappointing. Kindly subscribe when you watch my channel. Please like my channel, share with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you.